Hey everyone, is Google Analytics not tracking your website visitors? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Google Analytics tracking problems step by step. First, check that your Google Analytics property and website are connected correctly. Next, verify that your Google tag or measurement ID is installed properly on your website. I mean, if the tracking code is missing or placed incorrectly, Google Analytics cannot collect visitor data. Now open the real-time *** report in Google Analytics and visit your website to check if your activity appears. If no data appears, clear your browser cache and cookies, then try testing again. Next, check your website settings, plugins, or integrations to make sure nothing is blocking the analytics code. If you are using a content management system like WordPress or a website builder, confirm that your analytics settings and tracking ID are entered correctly. Next, disable browser extensions, ad blockers, or privacy tools that may prevent tracking scripts from running. Make sure your website is published and that the Google Analytics tag is loading on all important pages. If the issue continues, use tools like Google Tag Assistant or browser developer tools to check whether the analytics tag is firing correctly. Finally, wait for some time after making changes because new data may not appear instantly. And that's how to fix Google Analytics not tracking issues. By checking your tracking code, website settings, and browser configuration, you can restore accurate visitor tracking and collect reliable data again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.